If you are not on a journey to greatness, there is no need for Mara. Mara comes to those who have an agenda in God's plan. Men, listen. People who are in God's agenda, they are those who pass through the fire, because he said every man's work shall be tried by what? By fire. You will pass through the fire. And that is why he said in the book of Isaiah chapter 43 in verse 1, he said, when thou passest through the fire. So when they took Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego and threw them into the fire, when they were threatening them, they remembered the promise. They remembered the scripture that if they pass through the fire, it will not burn them. So they were not afraid. And they said to the king, let it be known unto thee, O king. Do you know that many have gotten to Mara and they have bowed down to Babylon?